Hey guys, so in this video I just want to talk about why in long term the stock market go up but people still lose a lot of money in the stock market. So if you look at the past 50 year, 40 year, 10 years S&P 500 index, it will only go up because the world is developing, the world is improving. So stock market will only go up. But the point is, for the past 50 years, 40 years, less than 10% of people who invest in stock market actually earn money. Most of them, 90% of people, they actually lose quite a lot. I think one of the main reasons is because we are human make mistake. Human make stupid decision. For example, we know that option trading is full of risk, but lots of people still do it. They think that option trading is a good way to earn quick money, but at the end they will lose everything. You cannot bet against investment bank. When you do the option trading, your component is the investment bank, Wall Street people. You cannot win them. They are greedy. They can do a lot of illegal stuff in order to win. But you are just a simple individual. So the best thing to help you to earn money in long term is buy ETF. Buy S&P 500 index ETF. Buy it, hold it, buy it, hold it. Even now is the stock market is collapsing, buy it, don't worry. And then a few years later, 10 years later, when you look back, you will earn a lot of money. So do the dollar cost average. Dollar cost average is to set a fixed amount such as 1,000 US dollar per month, and then you spend it on purchasing stock, and then do it every week, every month, and then few years later you will find that you will accumulate a lot of high quality ETF, and it will help you to generate income, generate dividend. That's the best thing to do. Okay, so I hope that you understand that you can never win in option trading. It's the first thing you need to remember. The second thing is purchase high quality ETFs such as QQQ and S&P 500. And the last thing is always use the dollar cost average method. If you follow these three principles, I guarantee you will have great, amazing investment journey. So that's the end of my video. I hope my advice can help you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. It will give me so much support. Thank you very much.